Assalamualaikum and a very good day to all. We are from Group 9 will be presenting our report entitled Traffic Noise Study at Jalan Pasaran Saintek. Hi, my name is Syahirah Binti Mahyuddin with metric number BFC34303. Will present the introduction. Noise pollution may come from a variety of sources, one of which is traffic noise. Heavy traffic volumes, faster speed, and a greater number of vehicles substantially enhance the level of traffic noise. Besides that, the Malaysian Department of Environment stated that the maximum allowable noise level outside of low-density residential zones should not exceed 55 decibels. Hence, the aim of the study is to measure traffic noise indices of cars, motorcycles, and lorries on Jalan Pasaran Saintek, which is near a residence zone. The data will be presented in frequency distribution curves and box and whisker plots. F-tests and Z-tests will also be conducted to test if the hypothesis of the study is true or not. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. Hi, I'm Izdiharni Binti Basarum. So next I will proceed with the methodology. Okay. For the standard procedure, number 1 is the data of the traffic noise and vehicle type was recorded each time a vehicle passes at a chosen point. Number 2 is the data taken until the number of data reaches 100 for each day, where this study only took 2 days for data collection. 3. The data recorded is presented using frequency distribution curve and box and whisker plot. And lastly, the data will be analyzed using descriptive statistic and inferential statistic, where the descriptive statistic will be a mode, median, interquartile, variance, and standard deviation. And for inferential statistic will be Z-test and F-test. Next, precautions measures. First, the data was recorded from a distance of 50 meters away from the chosen point, and the location is in a secure area away from any possible danger. Next, the location is far from other noise disturbance that can disturb with the data collection. And lastly, the data can only be recorded if only one vehicle passes at one time. For instrumentation setup, the step will be: first, open the noise app on the smartphone to set up the setting. Next, set the noise threshold to 90 decibels, and then open the noise on the Apple Watch. And lastly, start recording the data. And for the data recording material, the data recorded will be inserted into the Excel.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Ikmal bin Abdul Hadi Kamel, number matric DF200-128, and now I will present about the data presentation for this project. For the whisker box plot, our group have calculated the data for 2 days, which is on Saturday and Sunday. This is because we are comparing between the traffic noise during weekend and weekday. The data that we have calculated is minimum, first quartile, third quartile, maximum, upper fence, lower fence, mean, and range. From the box whisker that is shown below, we can see that the mean of the traffic noise on Saturday is higher than Sunday, which is 63.92. Not only that, the maximum traffic noise on Saturday is also higher than Sunday, which is 78. But both of the minimum traffic noise on Saturday and Sunday are the same, which is 50. For the frequency distribution curve, we also made 2 different frequency distribution curve for each day, which is on Saturday and Sunday, to compare between the data traffic noise on weekend and weekday. As we can see here, the frequency distribution curve on Saturday shows a negatively skewed distribution, skewed to the left, while the frequency distribution curve on Sunday shows a positively skewed distribution, skewed to the right.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Aizat Putra bin Sulaiman, and I'm gonna talk about descriptive statistic result. So in this section, we calculate the mode, median, quartile 1, quartile 3, interquartile, variance, standard deviation, and mean for 3 different type of comparison. The first comparison is the overall, which is the all data for Saturday and Sunday. The second comparison is during Saturday, which is for car, motorcycle, and lorry, and the last comparison is for Sunday, which is also for car, motorcycle, and also lorry. Next, we're gonna talk about the inferential statistic results, where we do a comparison between 4 comparisons using Z-test and F-test. For both tests, we use alpha equal to 0.05, and the hypothesis for Z-test is H0 is mu1 is equal to mu2, while the HA is mu1 is not equal to mu2. While F-test, H0 is sigma 1 equal to sigma 2, and HA is sigma 1 is not equal to sigma 2. For the first comparison, which is overall 2 days, the Z-test we obtain do not reject H0, and F-test also do not reject H0. For the second comparison, cars for 2 days, for Z-test we obtain do not reject H0, and F-test do not reject H0. While for the third comparison, motorcycles for 2 days, Z-test also do not reject H0, while F-test we reject H0 and we accept HA. And lastly, for the lorry for 2 days, Z-test we do not reject H0, and F-test we do not reject H0.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Alif, I'm a Hashim. My metric number is DF200166. In a conclusion, the objective of this study on traffic noise was achieved. The purpose of this study was to compare the noise levels of 3 types of vehicles, that are cars, motorcycles, and lorries that travel along jalan-jalan sites that located in residential and commercial areas. Based on the results of the Z-test and F-test for the comparison for data on Saturday and Sunday, we can accept the hypothesis that there is no difference in mean and variance of traffic noise on Saturday and on Sunday. Hence, the analysis using the theory of statistics can be used to solve the problem that we face in real life. Thank you.
Pergi ke jalan, mengira data, data diambil, F-test dicari. Ucapan terakhir tak mampu terkata. Semoga kita berjumpa lagi. That's all from our group. Thank you very much for watching, and Assalamualaikum.